What's good, my YouTube fam? I'm Retro Gamer Yasuke, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the PSP emulator. Now, this emulator is going to be called PPSSPP. Now, this is going to be for Windows, but you can also set it up for Mac, Linux, Android phones, and Apple phones. So let's get started. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser. Open that up. You're going to type in this PPSSPP emulator. I like to come down here. Now there's two types of downloads. There's the regular and then there's the gold. Now if you want a gold icon and you want to support the creators of the emulator, then do the gold. Just know you're going to need a phone number for the verification process. Now, if you don't want to do that, then I'm going to show you what to do if you want to just do the regular one. Now you can go right here to download, and it tells you this is the latest build right here for Windows-based users. We're going to go to this one. Now, if you have an updated hardware, I would download this. If you have like Windows like x86, I think it is. Now you can scroll down here and there is development builds if you want to go to there, or they have the automated builds. Like if you can see, there's one that was today, 5/21/23/23. That's the day. We can download this. We'll do the 64-bit. Takes a second. All right, now that that's done, we can exit out of here. All right, we're going to go to our File Explorer. I'm going to go to Downloads. And we're going to unzip this Z file. Now you will need 7-zip for this. I will leave a link in the description below to where 7-zip is and a link to where I gave you step-by-step instructions. All right, here we go. This is the folder we want. We're going to move this to this PC. Actually, we're going to move it to the C drive, and we're going to move it into the program files. That's where I really want it. We're going to go to our program files. We're going to open the file that I just moved here, which is this. And we're going to look for this application right here. I'm going to right click it. Going to show more options. And I'm going to go to send to desktop. All right, we're going to exit out of here. And boom, send to desktop. Put this up here because this is actually my favorite one. Now, if you keep your games on an external hard drive like I do, before you open up this app, you need to plug it up. So I keep my games on this external hard drive, so I'm going to plug it up. And if you have a controller, also plug that up before you open the app. So here's my controller. I plugged it up. It's already on there. Make sure you do these two things before you open the app. So we're going to double click on the app and open it. Maximize this. Now, this emulator really configures itself to your device. So whether it's an Android or Apple device or even a Windows device like I have right now, it tailors itself to whatever you have on your computer. So this is the best settings right now um, for my laptop, and I'm not going to mess with anything, not even the controls. Show you control mapping. I got the keyboard controls and I got my controller controls. So it's all good. As far as the games, if you want to know where to get some games at or ROMs, I will leave a link in the description below. I'll label it this video. Let's go back. Let's go to browse. And I told you about my external hard drive. I'm going to go to there. Go to ROMs. I'm going to click this folder. I'm going to say okay. And boom. All of my games. Artwork and all. Now, after I'm done with all of these tutorials, I do plan on playing Fight Night Round 3. So look out for that in the future. Alright, let's pick a game. How about this one? Grand Theft Auto Vice City Stories. Whoa. Not expecting that. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully that doesn't give me the thingamajig.
Big Badge reporting for duty, sir. Listen, if plans change, I'll let you know.
Alright, let's skip this dialogue so I can get full control of this character. Alright, as you can see, my controller's already configured. I didn't have to do a thing. I can run if I want to, jump, punch, and get in that vehicle. Well, that's everything for this video. Those are the essentials for the PPSSPP emulator. I want to give a shout out to the 3 of you guys who voted on the poll. I will be putting up another poll up shortly. Good vibes to you all. Peace be with you. Embrace your dreams, manifest your reality, and remember to have a nice day. Well, you'll definitely catch me in the next one, either mine or yours. So peace.